anar mala ken yam ka jan gwas me bana rach kalar mishala re week ka South Sudan bana lingna update ka queen te shanak ka Sudan la ji South Sudan kana duobende South Sudan tin kontin tin ti gagre week ka Sudan duobo dana de ga lo jokka je ki de ga lo re wecha ka South Sudan ka je jen bu kon linga larame jenere wecha ka South Sudan an wala shenga jan dangro wil bakel ka pay ker won kin dangro wit jan dangro de diech ban abder me ban jelling rama me deputy minister won mishal ke Monday Samaya Kumba ramkel milat mit tekeling kamde ke witen goal ke South Sudan lojen deputy foreign minister key foreign minister jan dan bu kon ladan tema ke jan gwasame kan kono nyamre ler kan me gorje en go der subscribe ke de jan nyaka sen ko kin mi jira ma jidit ka bishar bu ja ko pin gwasa dana shi video me cha tokten an million kono me gwasa me jan abder dana chalar ye ka dob dana ci kuma South Sudan ci kan lat ke je kuma South Sudan gwasa me ci kan lat kani shi ka diar long ko me change te ga dol mi kana dol ke kuma Sudan ne de kontin te ka invest dung Sudan ka re we ka juba ka South Sudan shi anga je ne gwase dan ci ka dol tin me shi ka dol shi kana ko pinye no bi kane de konti la ji Sudan bi ka we re we ka madene ki ka jazira bi kan do badana na ka South Sudanese bi kana balat ki bi kana loina kawar ga yedan ci kana ta ngwa de shi ga Bible ci kana patin ci kan Quran kana Bible ci kan pat shigan la da gwa no ne ne bi kan do badan de South Sudanese be de ga lo joko je South Sudanese den konin ci ga kare wi ka Sudan do badan de ga lo joko je re wi ka South Sudan ci kana kuin pin bo kan dubre wote kon te cha lat Ramadan la deputy foreign minister kana kuma South Sudan انتم كني شكوم السودان تجان تل الرملات كنا كي تل مغور كنا نودي كنا لات كوينن تي كونتي شانك نيوك كنا نيتن كونتي لا جيسو السودان تن كونتي نوت ري ويتش كالسودان دوب دان ديك لو جوكو جه كي دوب دان ديك بن ري ويتش كالسو السودان كجا جن كنا نوده تل ميشي كنا لين كي تل مدور ميشي نتوك غوايه بجا كويني غواسمه كتوك انجلش براملين بيشولين Officials from South Sudan and Sudan have convened in Juba to address critical bilateral concerns, including the voluntary return process for citizens of both nations and updates on the investigation into the Wat Medeni incident. The meeting between South Sudan Acting Minister of Foreign Affairs, Monday Samaya Kumba, and Sudanese ambassador to South Sudan, Issam Mohamed Karer, took place at the weekend. The discussion emphasized fostering mutual understanding and enhancing cooperation between the two countries' foreign ministers. Key topics included this, including voluntary return process and ensuring the safe and dignified return of South Sudanese and Sudanese nationals. Both officials discussed the investigation progress of the brutal killing of South Sudanese citizens in Wad Medeni, with South Sudan government expressing concern over delay in the final report. The other issue were the need for consular visit to South Sudanese national in Sudan, including in Wad Medeni and Port Sudan. Acting Minister Kumba reiterated South Sudan call for transparency in the investigation and resubmitted a formal request for the South Sudan embassy in Port Sudan to provide essential consular service to citizens in affected area. In response, Ambassador Karer reaffirmed Sudan's commitment to cooperation, expressing readiness to facilitate consular visits requested by the South Sudan. Both parties emphasized the importance of maintaining open communication to resolve shared challenges and promote the well-being of citizens in both countries. This meeting marked another step in strengthening bilateral relations, with both sides committed to fostering effective collaboration and addressing mutual concern for the benefit of their nations. Gwada men kuma South Sudan che gorno duoba danan dene to de kamal nunga jere weka South Sudan mishi kana lat ke kuma Sudan kana duoba dan de ni de kone ya nak duoba dan naka ke they can investigation mo they can carry out ka Sudan ka de kana loch kum South Sudan anta me kene tele me shana loch kene na me shinay dier kaja ko gone o de ne ma loch mandan en men tegatin jen na dana chala da kum South Sudan na me bi gor no jin bi nyuga nasin ko ken ban le ne je ka le dien bi ataka mal bye bye